Mohammad Irfan, the Delhi daily wage worker who went viral during the NEET paper leak protests, has alleged that YouTube terminated his newly launched channel just hours after it crossed 70,000 subscribers. The move has sparked criticism and questions over the platform's moderation process. Irfan, a 35-year-old resident of Savda JJ Colony in Delhi, became an internet sensation after an interview with the London Talk, where he spoke about the constitution, democracy, labor rights, and the struggles of working class Indians. Despite having no formal education, he said he teaches himself through Google Voice search. Following the viral interview and a meeting with leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi, Irfan launched his official YouTube channel @Mohir Fan Official on August 1st with support from journalist Ajit Anjum. The channel gained over 70,000 subscribers within a day before it was taken down. In a video message, Irfan said the channel had followed YouTube's policies and suggested the suspension could have been caused by an automated error. He appealed to the platform to restore the account. The incident has also led to criticism from supporters who questioned why alleged copycat channels continue to remain active while Irfan's official channel was removed.